Today we are going to next chapter, parallel lines. You studied in last division standard properties of parallel lines and their transversal. First of all, we have to know about the parallel lines. Okay? Here we draw figure E is a plane in this plane two lines L and M. Okay? If the lines are coplanar and they do not intersect each other, then the lines are called parallel lines. म्हणजे काय? जर दोन रेषा एकाच प्रतलात असतील तर आणि त्या एकमेकींना छेदत नसतील तर त्यांना समांतर रेषा असं म्हणतात. सो लाइन L and M are in plane E, means these are coplanar. The lines do not intersect each other, so they are parallel. We write here line M is parallel to line M in this way. Now here two lines do not intersect each other, means they are parallel to each other. Line L parallel to line M and their transversal is line L. Line L is transversal. Angle made by the transversal A, B, C, D, E, F, Z and H. Okay? First of all, we see here the pairs of corresponding angles. Angles which are one side of the transversal, that is angle A and angle E. Also angle B and angle F. Also angle D and angle H. Angle C and angle Z. Okay? These are the four pairs of corresponding angles. Now, next, the pairs of alternate angles. alternate angles. First of all, we see corresponding angles. In Marathi we say sangat कोन. These alternate angles in Marathi we say विक्रम कोन. The alternate angles are both the sides of transverse. Here are two types of alternate angles. First of all, interior alternate angles, angle B and angle F. First pair, second pair angle C and angle E. Exterior angle A and angle Z, angle B and angle H. These are the pairs of alternate angles. Then interior angles. In Marathi we say antarkon. Interior angles, one side of the transversal, angle D and angle E, first pair, second pair angle C and angle F. Sum of the interior angle is 180 degree, means they are supplementary. Okay, now some important properties here. The first, when two lines intersect, the pair of the opposite angles formed are congruent. Opposite angles pairs are first pair A and C, angle A is congruent to angle C. Second, angle B is congruent to angle D. Third, angle E is congruent to angle Z. Fourth, angle F is congruent to angle H. These are the pairs of opposite angles are congruent. Next property, second property, the angles in linear pair are supplementary. Angles in linear pairs, these are supplementary, means sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Which angles are in linear pairs? Angle A, angle B. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 100 degree. Also, angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Also, angle E plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Angle H plus angle G is equal to 180 degree. Angle E plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Angle E plus F is here taken. H plus G is also taken. Now we take E plus H, angle E plus angle H is equal to 180 degree. Angle F plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. So these are angles in linear pairs. Sum of this is 180. So the angles in linear pair are supplementary. A third property, when one pair of corresponding angle is congruent, then another pair of corresponding angle is congruent. Here, if angle A is congruent to angle E, these pair is of corresponding angles. Then another pair, angle D is congruent to angle H, angle D is congruent to angle H, another pair angle B is congruent to angle F, next one angle C is congruent to angle Z. If one pair of corresponding angle is congruent, then the remaining all pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. Fourth property, when a pair of alternate angle is congruent, then the remaining all pairs of alternate angles are congruent. Okay? Angle B and angle F are the alternate angles. Angle D is congruent to angle F. Then angle C is congruent to angle E. Also we will show right here angle A is congruent to angle Z, angle B is congruent to angle H, because these are the exterior alternate angles. We write here only interior alternate angles. And last one, property number 5, when one pair of interior angle on one side of the transversal is supplementary, then the another pair of interior angle is also supplementary. So, E, D plus E, these are the interior angles. Angle D plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Then another pair of interior angle, angle C plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now come to the next point. Theorem. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the interior angles on either side of transversal are supplementary. Means here angle A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Here a pair of interior angle is DE. Angle D plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Angle C plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. We prove this by indirect method. So we did not write here. The Euclid's postulate: if the angles which are one side of the transversal, sum of these two angles is less than 180, then the lines are not parallel because they intersect each other. Means if C plus F is less than 180 or D plus E is less than 180, then the line L and line M should be intersect each other. So, or it is greater than 180, then they will be intersect each other. If the sum of these two angles C and F or D and E is 180, then the lines did not intersect each other. So the sum of C and F or D and E is 180, then L and M is parallel because it gives us line L and line M are parallel to each other. Okay, this is by indirect method. Now theorem for corresponding angles. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then the angles made by them, means corresponding angles, are congruent to each other. Here A, C and B. Given line L is parallel to line M, line L is transversal, and we have to prove here angle A is congruent to angle B. Proof: angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Statement number 1. Because A and C are in linear pair, angles in linear pairs. Angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Statement number 2. Because these are interior angles. So reason interior angles. Statement number 1, statement number 2. Right circle 180 is equal. Then left side should be equal. So from 1 and 2, 1 and 2, angle A plus angle C is equal to angle C plus angle B. Both the sides of the equation, angle C. Cancel angle C. So angle A is equal to angle B. In this way, we prove here angle A is congruent to angle B. Next theorem here, alternate angles are congruent. If transversal intersect two parallel lines, then the alternate angles formed by the transversal are congruent. Here D, C and B. Line L is parallel to line M, L is transversal. We have to prove here alternate angles DB. Angle D is congruent to angle B. Prove. Angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Statement number 1. Because the angles in linear pair. Angles in linear pairs. Then angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Statement number 2. These are interior angles. From 1 and 2, right sides are equal. So left side should be equal. Angle D plus angle C is equal to angle C plus angle B. Both the sides of equation, angle C, cancel it. Angle D is equal to angle B, that is angle D is congruent angle B. In this way we prove the theorem. Next period we will start practice set number 2.1. Okay, thank you.